So good morning, class. So today our lesson today is on electrical machines on transformer cooling methods. And as you know, a transformer is a machine, and like all machines, they heat up. And to protect against damage, you have to have a mechanism for cooling the transformer. And we human beings have a mechanism for cooling. That is, when you get hot, you you sweat, and then you sweat, you release it into the air, thereby cooling yourself. So what transformer is a machine, it has to have a cooling mechanism to prevent against damage. So we're going to go on our first. We have the on and cooling system. So here in the on and cooling system is everything is natural, no forced means here. So the oil circulates naturally by convection. The heat that gives from the tank to the surrounding area. No fans or pumps required. That's why we have said everything is natural. No fans or pumps required. This method is mainly used in small to medium transformers. I'm going to go to the next one, which is the on-off. So yeah, the main difference between the on and the on-off is that in the on-off, the air is forced. So here we have the fans to blow air across the radiators, but the oil circulates naturally. So when you use the fans, it boosts cooling for higher loads, and it is suitable for medium large transformers. Next, we have the off-off. Off-off here, the difference. The off-off is an improvement of the on-off because you have the oil is forced, so the oil is pumped through external radiators. Air is forced by fans across the radiators, and it is highly efficient for large power transformers. And it requires pumps and fans for active cooling. Next, we have the offer. Here's the oil forced, water forced, and it's an improvement of the on-off. Because instead of air, you use water. Because water is a good coolant, it's a good coolant than air. So oil is pumped through heat exchangers, and cooling is done using circulating water instead of air because, as we said, water is a better coolant than air, and it is ideal for underground or indoor settings, and it is the most complex, but it is the most efficient method. Next, we are
Cooling methods. Transformers are cooled using various methods such as natural air convection, forced air cooling, oil immersed cooling, and water cooling to dissipate heat generated during operation. Cooling methods. Transformers are cooled using various
I'm going to add on transformers. We have several types of transformers. We have several classifications according to the first the number of pieces, according to the construction, according to its application, and yes, according to the number of points. So according to the to construction, you have the shell type and the core type. According to the number of points, you have the number of points. You have the three phase and the single phase. According to the use on operation, you have the step up and the step down transformer. And so we're going to see if you understood. So we have said we have four transformer cooling methods. We have the ONAN, this is the oil natural, air natural. We have the OFA, this is oil forced, air forced. We have the OFF, this is the oil forced, water forced. And you have the OFA, which is the oil forced, air forced. And any questions, is the you can see of the diagram of the on off. You have the earphones, you have the fans over there, but the oil is natural. I'll go to next one. You can see the off. You have the pumps to pump the oil. You also have the fans, the cooling fans. Uh, to next we have the off. Here instead of air, we have said we use water. Last one you have the conservator there with some water. And, you also have the pumps to pump the oil. Yes.
Cooling methods. Transformers are cooled using various methods such as natural air convection, forced air cooling, oil-immersed cooling, and water cooling to dissipate heat generated during operation. Cooling methods. Transformers are cooled using various methods such as natural air convection.
I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. We have learned a lot, and let's meet next time when we are going to learn some. Thank you.